This call is now being recorded.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That videos you can check. Anyway, we take extra classes, and I will take another 2 classes also. First unit I completed actually. First year I am taking 3 classes actually. Mechanical B also we are handling. That also if you want you can see. And mechanical B1 I am handling. That class also if you want you can check. That's for glance. It's not a restriction. Again, anyway we handle for you separately. Don't worry. Before that, if you have time, don't waste time. That also you can see. Now, last class. Total differentiation we started actually. U is a function of x and y. X is function of t means du by dt you will find out, and more than one variable means what will go for partial differentiation. Correct or not? Any problem?
No problem, sir.
No,
We
sir.
completed that problems also, I think so. Dou u by dou x problem we completed, and only problems we completed because there's a lot of confusion. Where I stop, you should tell me actually.
Yes, sir. We solved 5 to 6 problems, sir.
What is the last problem?
Find du by dt where u equal to xy square plus x square
Dou,
y.
I need dou sums I given dou u by dou t like this. Dou u by dou t. Any problem given?
No, sir. Not yet given, sir. Only
Okay.
concept was taught, sir.
Du by dt only the log function and x square xy yz something we done, and 17t power 16 some answer. That problem we done, I think so. Correct?
Yes, sir. This last before problem, sir.
Yes. Tell me where you stop work. I will stop. Because 3 classes totally confusion. Where what I am taking, I don't know. Okay, take if u is equal to e to the power of x sin y, where x is equal to st square, y is equal to x square t. Find dou u by dou s, dou u by dou t. From this, what you understand? U is function of x and y because x and y given, and is asking question is what? Dou u by dou s, dou u by dou t. So variables are what? S and t also variables are not.
Yes, sir. Variable, sir.
So from this, what you understand? X is equal to something, y is equal to something means what? U is xy function. Then x and y is what? From the question, what you understand? Dou u by dou s is asking, dou u by dou t is asking. From this, what you understand? S and t also variables. Now draw the tree. U is function of what?
U is function of x and y.
X and y are functions of
S and t.
draw the tree, and this you can write question first. U is function of x and y. X and y is what? S and t. So what you get from first to last? Already in question available. From the tree you can check. Now what you will get? Dou u by dou s is equal to dou u by dou x into dou x by dou s because 2 variables, plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou s. Similarly, dou u by dou t, what you will get? Dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t. 2 variables means dou, single variables d, already I told you. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now come on, write. Don't wait for me. Start to. First formula I can write. Dou u by dou s is equal to dou u by dou x by dou s plus dou u by dou y by dou s. Then dou u by dou t is equal to dou u by dou x by dou t, dou x by dou y by dou t. First you can prepare the formulas. Let's keep one side. Copy down fast. Copied.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then dou u by dou x is what? Tell me. This trias we can draw. Shall I above the tree alone?
Yes, sir. Rub, sir.
Now from this everything you can prepare. Dou u by dou x is what? E power x sin y. Dou u by dou y is what? E power x differentiate with respect to y, cos y. Then dou x by dou s is what? Dou x by dou s.
T square.
Very good. Dou y by dou s.
2st.
Very good. Similarly, dou x by dou t is what?
2st.
Very good. Dou y by dou t.
S square.
So everything available. From 1 you can write the answer command from 1 and 2.
Sir, actually the clarity in the board is missing, sir. Like it is blurred, sir.
Some network issues, I think, actually, from 1-2 days. Just you can adjust actually. Not today. My mobile also some problem actually.
Okay, sir. Okay.
My old mobile is repair actually. iPhone is some another mobile I'm using. Maybe some that's what is focusing actually my face actually moving this blur is coming. Not done. 2-3 days adjust we can see. Copied. ಇವತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now substitute now dou u by dou s is what? Tell me. Dou u by dou x into dou x. From 1 you can write dou u by dou s. Answer tell me.
E power x sin y.
Wait, coming. Dou u by dou s is equal to e power x sin y. Then dou x by dou s is what? T square plus e power x cos y. Then dou y by dou s is what? 2st. If you want, you can take common t e power x. If you take common this one, t sin y plus 2s cos y. Then finally you can mention where x is equal to what? Who is x? Who is x? X is equal to what? St square, huh?
Yes, sir. Given in question.
Yes, you have to mention because they are not able to change fully in terms of t as x and s. So where x is equal to st square, y is equal to s square t. Similarly, you can find dou u by dou t from 2, what you will get? E power x sin y into 2st plus e power x cos y into s square. From there, maybe s you can take common, s into e power x. Yeah, admit. Outside. Admit it, huh? Clear? Now you can see dou u by dou t. Dou u by dou t, right? From 2 dou u by dou t is equal to e power x sin y, then 2st plus e power x cos y into s square. From this, if you take s common, means what? S into e power x 2t sin y plus s cos y, where x is equal to what? St square, y is equal to s square t, just you can mention. Clear? Are you able to do? Clear, Bob?
Yes, sir. Next question, sir.
Okay. Next question you can see, I will tell you, just you can do. If u is equal to function of x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, show that dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0. Clear? Now we see. My
Sir,
question is,
repeat that. Show that, sir. Show that. After that, you tell,
Yeah.
sir.
what?
After show that, tell what
Dou
is
u by
written in
dou
the
x
code.
plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0.
Okay, sir. The clarity is missing, so only I asked.
Okay, no problem. Next. Now we can see. Now first variable is what? U, last is xyz. In between something you are missing, correct? Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z means what? That last fellows are xyz. So how you will frame the formula? How you will draw the tree? Any idea? Any idea? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Then this I will call as let this fellow I will call P. This fellow I will call Q. This fellow I will call R. Now U is function of what? P, Q, R. Where P, Q, R functions of what?
X, Y, Y, Z,
X,
Z.
Y,
No,
Z.
no. Very good. P is function of X, Y, Z. Don't say without Z. Plus 0 Z like this. Then only relation will satisfy. Correct or not? Just if you say X, Y, then Y, Z means what collapse. Anyway, whether you while differentiating, you will get 0. If you don't mention that term means what you will say? Whole thing will collapse. Formula it won't will form, frame the formula. You are not able to frame. Correct or not? So P is function of what? Tell me.
X, Y, Z.
Very good. Q is same story.
X, Y, Z.
Or
X, Y, Z.
enough. Over. Story over. Then you can able to write or not. Now dou U by dou X you can write. Dou U by dou P into dou P by dou X plus dou U by dou Q by dou X plus dou U by dou R by dou X. Then dou U by dou Y you can write. Dou U by dou Z you can write. Come on, first. If you want, you can start. Let's get. P is equal to X minus Y. Q is equal to Y minus Z. R is equal to Z minus X. U is function of PQR, where PQR functions of what? X, Y, Z. Now write formula dou U by dou X is what? Tell me. Dou U by dou X is equal to what?
Dou U by dou P into dou P by dou X plus dou U by dou Y into dou Q by dou X plus dou U by dou R into dou R by dou X.
Very good. Only one student only opening is more. Nobody remaining all are sleeping. I think so. Similarly, you can write dou U by dou Y also. Front camera use பண்ண எப்படி இருக்கும் பார்க்கலாமா? Actually, I'm using this Airtel only network. Sorry, carry on, sir. I wait. Okay. Yeah. Sir, is it okay?
No, sir, it is blood only, sir.
Yes, sir, totally.
Issues, I think. Because I'm changed front camera. Still, it's
Before that, then this is okay, sir, now.
this so compared to before. It's okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
2-3 days, sir. Adjust actually. We can find solution. Now okay?
So better than two.
Better? Huh? Okay, sir. Say sir, no. Otherwise, go with back camera only. Actually, rear camera you can use.
I will leave the meat and join, sir. Farming is blood, sir, lightly.
What? What? You people leave and join again, huh?
No, sir, no, sir. I am leaving and joining, sir. Farm meat is blood, sir.
Now it's okay.
I think okay, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, carry on. Probably can carry on. Okay. Then similarly can write dou u by dou y. What will get dou u by dou y? Tell me. Dou u by dou t by dou y plus dou u by dou q by dou y plus dou u by dou r by dou y. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Similarly, dou u by dou z, what you will get? This equation 2 you can take. Dou u by dou z is what? Dou u by dou p by dou z plus dou u by dou q by dou z plus dou u by dou r by dou z. Equation 3. Now slowly I will prepare dou u by dou p value, dou u by dou q by dou r. Then dou p by dou x, dou p by dou y, dou p by dou z, everything I will prepare. That values we don't get actually. Dou u by dou p values we don't get. These values we don't get actually. Dou u by dou q, dou that you can keep as is. But you can able to do dou p by dou x, dou p by dou y, dou p by dou z. You can able to do or not?
Yes, sir.
Once if you do, what will happen? One is plus minus, automatically everything will cancel if you add all three terms. Now come on, find out. Shall I rub off here? Remember what peak you are. If I ask, you can tell the answer. Come on, tell me. Dou phi by dou x is what? 1. Because p is x minus y. Dou p by dou y is what? Minus 1. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Dou p by dou z is what?
0.
0. Similarly, dou q by dou x is 0, I think so, because y minus z. Correct? Q is y minus z.
Q y minus z, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dou q by dou y is 1. Dou q by dou z is minus 1. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Then R is Z minus H.
R is Z minus H, sir.
Okay, Z or G, whatever may be. So, dou R by dou X is what? Minus 1. Dou R by dou Y is what? 0.
Sir, dou R by dou Z should be plus 1, no, sir.
What?
Like R is Z minus H, sir.
Yes.
So
With
dou R.
respect to who will come?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Z minus X, there is minus X plus Z. If you differentiate with respect to X means what? Minus 1 will come, Z becomes 0. That's a minus 1 stands. With respect to Z, if you do means what? Remaining all fellows are constant. 0
Okay.
plus 1.
Okay, sir. Correct only, sir. I got confused.
No, don't confuse. Now everything available or not? Now come on, dou U by dou X you can substitute it. Dou U by dou X is equal to what? Dou U by dou P into dou P by dou X, 1. Then dou U by dou Q by dou X, 0. Plus dou U by dou R by dou X. Then minus dou U by dou R. Correct?
அங்க வச்சிருக்கேன்டா டேபிள் மேல ஏன் வீட்டுக்கு போறப்ப
Yes.
ஐடி கிடக்குறான்டா ஐடி வண்டி
Someone is unmuted, sir.
காதோட போடு
Arvind, mute your mic.
இருக்காரு
Mute your mic. Aravind.
Muted. Okay, done. Good. Correct, sir. Dou U 1 into dou U by dou P minus dou U by dou R. Any problem?
No, sir. Correct, sir.
Then go for dou U by dou Y. Dou U by dou Y, what you will get? Minus dou U by dou P. Yes. Minus dou U by dou P. Then dou phi by dou Y is there. Then plus dou U by dou phi. Then similarly, dou U by dou Z, what you will get? Dou U by dou P by dou Z vanish. Then dou U by dou Q by dou Z minus. So minus dou U by dou Q plus dou U by dou R. Now add these three fellows, dou U by dou P minus dou U by dou P minus dou U by dou R plus dou U by dou R plus dou U by dou Q minus dou U by dou Q. If we add these three fellows, what will get?
We will get 0, sir.
Vanish. So clear, copy down fast. I think now somewhat better board, I think so, front camera. I'm not using SRM Wi-Fi also. My Airtel network only I'm using. And also problem. Now come on, what you will get, sir? Everything will get cancelled. One is plus, another fellow minus, plus minus. So total value is what?
0.
Adding these three. Hence proved. Finally I got 0. Come on, copy it. So if single vary also you will be able to find out what differential du by dt you can able to do, dou u by dou x and dou u by dou r, whatever may be able to do. Clear? Any problem?
No, sir. We'll try, sir.
Yes. Now in your plus 2 level or intermediate stage, suppose find dy by dx x square plus y square is equal to some 15 means how you will do implicit function means what? Suppose if you are in your hand y is equal to f of x means dy by dx you can able to do. Directly will do the formula u by v method u by whatever will be differentiate. Suppose both combining f of x y that is called implicit function. Suppose if we have implicit function how you will do? Just recall. F of x y is equal to 0 means implicit function. Y is equal to f of x means explicit function. It's a combination of this. Already you have studied x square plus y square is equal to 15. Find dy by dx means how you will do? Next, this is the equation in your hand. Tell me answer. What is dy by dx? Not hearing. Am I audible?
Sir,
Hello?
like in the question it is given. Yes, sir. Audible, sir. But I can't see the question properly. X square y.
X square plus y square is equal to 15. Find dy by dx.
That means y equal to 15 minus x square. After that, we
2x plus 2y
Very
dy
good.
by
2x.
dx
Come on,
equal
come on.
to
2x
0.
plus. Again, come on, tell me 2x plus.
2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0.
Implicit function means what we will do? Y also you can treat as ax. After differentiation, you can write dy by dx. Correct or not? You studied already. Y also you can treat as a x. Y square you are treating as x square means what? 2x. But extra what you will do? Dy by dx you will write because y is function of x. Is it clear or not?
yes, sir.
That is
Yes.
in our school level. Now, using partial differentiation, how to find dy by dx? So they will do f of x y is equal to 0. They will ask find dy by dx is equal to minus fx by fy. Fx means what is the meaning? Partially differentiate with respect to x. Fx means with respect to x, with respect to y. Note down. If f of xy is equal to 0, then dy by dx is equal to minus fx by fy. Clear? If f of xy is equal to find, if they ask dy by dx means what you will do? Minus fx by fy. Where is fx? Who is fx?
Dou f by dou x.
Very good. Fy is dou f by dou y. Come on, do. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if f is equal to x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. If x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. So what you will do, this fellow you can take it as a f. Now who is my f?
X cube plus y cube minus 3xy, sir, or plus, sir?
Minus, because normally given function is if x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. So if you bring inside, what will get f is equal to x cube plus y
3xy
cube
or 3x plus y, sir. 3xy or 3x. Sir,
3axy.
3 after that, sir?
A.
3axy. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
okay.
Now what is my fx? Now f is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy. Now who is fx? Now dy by dx is asking. Dy by dx formula is what? Tell me.
Minus fx by fy.
Now you find fx. Who is fx? Tell me.
Fx dou f by dou h, sir.
Is equal to what?
3h square minus 3ay.
Very good. 3x square minus 3ay. Correct? F by
fy 3y square minus 3ah.
dy by dx is what?
Minus of fx by fy.
Ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. Are you agree? 3 cancelled. Minus also taken inside. Minus of x square minus ay by y square minus ax. If you take inside means what? Ay minus x square whole divided by y square minus ax. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where is the first number starting, sir? Attendance. 128.
28.
1?
28, sir.
28.
128.
Yeah, 128. 129.
Present, sir.
30.
Sir, 128 present,
Present,
sir.
sir.
Sorry, sir, my mic was problem.
Okay. 130 present. 31.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
33.
Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
37, present, sir.
38. 39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41. 141. 42.
Present, sir.
43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49, 149.
Sir, 141 weakness present, sir. I mean network issues.
Don't tell in between, after the completing I will tell you. 149, 150,
Present, sir.
up to where, sir? 153 are new numbers. 151,
Present, sir.
152,
Present, sir.
153,
Present, sir.
54. Any number is there? Next.
Sir, yes, sir.
154. Don't give me chat box, sir. Somewhere my laptop, somewhere. Last number is what? 155, huh?
Sir, 156.
No, sir. 150 present, sir. 156 is the last
Present.
number, sir.
Yes, sir. 150. Present, sir.
Then 154. 57. Not there, huh? 58.
Present, sir.
Okay. This is the 58 last number, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So options are 138, 149, 157.
Sir, 149 present, sir.
What are you doing, sir? One. Naveen, what is your number? Naveen Balaji, what is your number? Okay, yeah? You want? Okay. Right, sir. Again, I have class, another class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir. Happy Diwali, sir.
Celebrate actually healthy Deepavali. Stay safe. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
May
sir.
God bless you all of you.